Stand up, take a bow. You found space in a place where you don't have to make a break it. Take a tip from me. If you don't got it, you don't need it. You don't keep it for yourself, just let the people see it. This is the way that it goes. People need to meet and greet one another and get sweet on each other. And everybody knows what they're doing till the door won't stop. Don't stop till you get it, get it. Time in the line, it's not yours, but whose is it? It's not mine, but I won't forget it. Don't cross the line, just bend it up a little and get in the middle of the people try to hit it. If you see a sign, point it down, point it up at yourself. This is a remedy for looking in. Sometimes I'm blind, but I see the way I'm moving, lighten up, shoulder lean and start it up again. You won't ever be lonely. High times are on the front of me. Been busted, yeah. High times to the left, get in line. Backbone to the body, not alone. If living ain't forgiving, I don't wanna go home. Some people break bones, but they find a way to grow. Standing up a while now, I think I'm gonna go straight to the top. Yeah, I got some shit. We're gonna take it to the top. Yeah. You won't ever be lonely. High times are right in front of me. Have you ever been busted? Yeah, high times to the left, get in line. You won't ever be lonely. The high times are right in front of me. Have you ever been busted? Yeah, high times to the left. Get in line.
World premiere right there. World premiere.
Let's do it again. 20 times, right? Jesse, very well.